In this video, we will be learning about logical operators in Python. The logical operators in Python are AND, OR, and NOT. So let's see this program to understand logical operators in Python. In the first line number 1, we have received an integer number in variable n. And then we have written a condition if n modulus 2 equals 0. Modulus is a remainder operator which gets the remainder by dividing n after 2, and if that remainder is equals to 0, it means the number is divisible by 2. We want to check if any number is divisible by 2 as well as divisible by 5. We want to check two conditions, like the number n should be divisible by 2 as well as divisible by 5. Then we will be giving a message the number is divisible by both 2 and 5. Else we will print the number is not divisible by both 2 and 5. So we wanted to check two conditions. The number should be divisible by 2. So the condition is n modulus 2 equals 0. And another condition is number should be divisible by 5. So the condition is n modulus 5 equals 0. So these two conditions have been joined using AND operator. Let's run this program. Enter any number. I entered 10. So the program gives the number is divisible by both 2 and 5, because the number 10 is really divisible by 2 and 5 both. Okay, we run it again. This time I entered 12. The number is not divisible by both 2 and 5, because 12 is divisible by 2 but not by 5, and this AND means both the conditions should be true. Then only the if block will execute. Now if we change AND with OR, this OR means either of these two conditions. If either of these conditions is true, the if will become true. Either means if this condition is true or this condition is true, it will print the number is divisible by both 2 and 5. Let's change it. The number is either divisible by 2 or 5. Okay, now let's run it. We enter 12 here and we get the number is either divisible by 2. Earlier when we had AND in the program, it gave us the output that the number is not divisible by both 2 and 5, because 2 was dividing 12 but 5 was not dividing it. Now this time when we have used OR condition, the if becomes true because of this condition, because 2 is dividing the n. So OR means any of the condition is true, the result is overall true. Okay, now let's understand NOT. N modulus 2 equal 0. It is simple even odd. Even number. Now this is a program where we enter a number in n and we check whether the number is even or odd. To check any number for even or odd, we need to check divisibility by 2. So if n modulus 2 equals 0, it is true, the number it will print even number, else it will print odd number. So let's run this program. Enter a number, so I entered 8, even number. I run it again. Enter numbers, so I entered 7, so it gives us odd number. The program is working fine. Now if I use NOT here, if not n modulus 2 equals 0, it is just reversing the condition. If n modulus 2 equals 0 was meaning that if n is divisible by 2, and not is reversing it. So we will print the reverse odd here and even here. Now let's run this program. Entry number 8 even, the program is fine, and if you run it again 7 odd number, the program is fine. So not just reverses any condition. So we learned in this program about odd and or and not. And is used to join the conditions, all the conditions should be true. Or is used also used to join the condition, but in or either of the condition is true, the result is true. And not is just used to reverse the condition. So that's all about logical operators in this video. Take care, bye bye.